In the third part of the video of Vedic Maths, we will learn about how to multiply the numbers when one is above the base and another is below the given base. For that, we will use simple addition and simple multiplication of two single digit numbers. If you have not seen my previous videos, so I will recommend you to see my previous videos first. So let's start our today's topic, which is multiplication of two numbers when one is above the base and another is below the base. Okay, so you know that what does base means. Base is that value which is somewhat near to my given value, right? So generally we consider base as 10, 100 or 1000, as I have explained my previous videos also. So if you have not seen my previous videos related to Vedic Maths, so I will suggest you to see my previous videos so that you can have a better understanding of this video. Okay, so let us start our today's very first question. Multiplication of two numbers when one is above the base and another is below the base, right? So let us suppose my first value is 102 into 97. So this is a very large number. If in any competitive exam you are solving this value, then it will take lot of time, right? But now we will learn how to solve it within 5 seconds, right? So see, 102, as I have explained you earlier also, is how much bigger than 100? Plus 2. And 97 is how much smaller than 100? It is minus 3. So base value for both of them is 100, means both the values are near to 100. Okay, so this is my step number 1. I have to write down my equation like this, right? So we will do the same steps which we were doing earlier, that we will do addition of these two values and multiplication of these two values in step number 2. Okay, so 102 plus minus 3. So remember this thing, this sign, plus sign, minus 3. So this time it will get subtracted instead of addition. So it will give me 99. And multiplication of this will give me what? This will give me 06. Okay, so this is not my answer, as we were doing earlier when both the values were above the base, right? So now I have to do one more step, which is what? So see, base value is what? Base value is 100. So when you will write down your final answer, then you will, at the last, you will do 100 minus 06, this value. You will subtract this value from 100. So what you will get? You will get 94, last two digits, and first two digits will be how much? 99. You will subtract 1 because we are taking one carry from 99. So we will subtract 1 from 99. So 98 will be my first two digits and 94 will be my remaining two digits. Okay, so we have done only one step more. Earlier we were using these steps earlier, that we were doing addition of these two values and doing multiplication of these two values. But when one value is above and one value is below the same base, then you have to follow one more step. That means while writing down your last value, you have to subtract the multiplication value from your base value and subtract 1 from your this value. Okay, so let's take another example, question number 2. So in which, suppose there is any another bigger value, 1002 into 997. Okay, so what you will do? 1002 is how much bigger than 1000? Now you can see both the values are having base 1000. Okay, both the values are having base 1000. Then next is 997 is minus 003, means 997 is how much less than 1000. That's why I am calling 1000 as my base. Okay, so now do the addition and multiplication of these two values. Step number 1 is this. Step number 2 is what? you have to write down your values like this. 1000 in plus 003 will give you 999, and 002 into 006 is, this will give you 0006. Okay, so this is not your answer. So you have to write down one more step. You have to do one more step before writing your final answer. So what you will do, you will subtract this 0006 from your 1000. That means 1000 minus 006 will give you what? It will give you 994. And when you will subtract 1 from this value, it will give you what? 998. So this will be your final answer. Okay, understood? So you can see that you can solve the bigger problem within few seconds if you will follow this step. Okay, so one more very important point, that these methods are applicable if when you are doing addition of this value, what you are getting? 999. And when you are doing addition of this value, then also you are getting 999. So if both the values are giving you the same result, then these kind of methods are applicable. Okay, otherwise these methods are not applicable. Okay, so let us take another similar example. 1003 into 998. Okay, so it will what? 1003 is how much bigger than 1000? It is by plus 003. And 998 is how much less than 1000? It is less than 1000 by 002. So you can see clearly, when you will do addition of this value, you will get 1001, and if you will do addition from this side, then also you will get your result as 1001. So that means our method is applicable. So when I will do addition, I will get 1001, and when I will do multiplication of these two values, what I will get? I will get 0, 0, 0 and 6. Okay, so this is my step number 2. Breaking down the equation was my step number 1, and writing down like this is my step number 2. And my step number 3 is what? I will subtract this value from my base value, which is 1000. So I will get 994, and I will subtract 1 from this value. That means I will get 1000. So this is going to be my product result. Okay, done. So let's meet in the next video, in which we will solve the problems in which one value is below the base and one value is above the base, but this time both the bases are different. Earlier we were solving the problem. See, in this problem the base for both the value is 1000. Okay, and one value is above and one value is below the base. But this time one value is below the base. Base is what? 1000, and for this value base is what? 10. So one value is below and one value is above, but this time our base will be different. So let's meet in the next video and learn how to solve these kind of problems. If you find my video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.